This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cole Belter. Enjoy maintenance-free living in this lovely 3-bed, 2-bath condo. Placed in Bermuda Palms, this must-see condo is located in the rear of the community, so there is no through traffic and is in a quiet location. It has been extremely well maintained and leaves room for endless possibilities. The community also offers full upscale amenities like a pool and spa. Enter inside with high ceilings and immediately admire the open main living area with seamless entertainment to the living room and kitchen. This U-shaped kitchen comes fully equipped with all appliances, ample cabinetry, and beautiful countertops. The master suite features plush carpeting, neutral interior, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite full bath with a walk-in shower. The second bedroom and bathroom are equally spacious. The laundry area is just off the kitchen. Other features include an electric roll-down hurricane shutter on the lanai, roll-down in the master one-car garage, and additional parking for guests. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Cole Belter at 239-659-4200.